Virtual court proceedings are important in creating capacity for hearings which must be heard in person and to enable courts to function safely for those attending. This exciting innovation enables a digital future to speed up the justice system. Virtual courtrooms offer judges, attorneys, and litigants a better court experience by providing greater access to justice while reducing the time and expense of getting to court, resulting in increased efficiency, case resolution, and quality of justice. Setting up virtual courts is fairly simple. Simply schedule court hearings, host private sessions, and send invitations with dial-in details and instructions to all parties. With enterprise-grade video quality and customized workflows, courts can deliver a tailored engagement with true-to-life court flows. And just like an in-person court experience, Vidyo provides seamless access to virtual breakout rooms. Judges simply create separated and private rooms for the defense, prosecution, and witnesses to ensure privacy and better control. He simply adds and moves people from one room to another and joins a specific room when needed. During the hearing, defense and prosecution can easily use whiteboards and screen sharing features to present their evidence and simply explain the facts. With Vidyo's digital hearing room, judges, attorneys, or court mediators have complete control over the proceedings, preserving the authority and presence of the judicial officer or arbitrator. Finally, live court hearings can be recorded if there are legal requirements, and judges can decide to record only one room or all rooms. Then, replays are automatically shared with lawyers and judges to easily keep track of past hearings. They quickly learn and improve their knowledge about new law articles, new case law, and unexpected verdicts. Replays are automatically subtitled and translated to facilitate understanding for everyone. Judges can download transcript files in written format for legal requirements. Videos are also chaptered to facilitate access to relevant information for everyone and save precious time. Finally, all evidence and proofs can be indexed to the replay to centralize all the key elements of the hearing. Partner with Vidyo and transform the justice systems without changing the functions of the court systems or compromising privacy, compliance, and security.